Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about the safety of linking your bank account to Acorn. Acorn is a popular investing app that automatically invests your money for you. It's a great way to save for retirement or other financial goals. But before you link your bank account to Acorn, it's important to understand the risks involved. In this video, I'll discuss the security measures that Acorn has in place to protect your money. I'll also talk about the potential risks of linking your bank account to any online service. What is Acorn? Acorn is an investing app that automatically invests your money for you. It's a great way to save for retirement or other financial goals. Acorn offers a variety of investment options, including stocks, bonds, and ETFs. You can choose your own investment strategy or let Acorn's algorithm choose one for you. How does Acorn work? Acorn works by linking your bank account to the app. You can then set up automatic transfers to your Acorn account. Acorn will then invest your money according to your chosen strategy. Is Acorn safe? Acorn takes a number of security measures to protect your money. These measures include encryption. All of your data is encrypted, including your bank account information and investment transactions. Two-factor authentication. You can enable two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security to your account. Regular security audits. Acorn conducts regular security audits to ensure that your data is safe. Potential risks of linking your bank account to Acorn. There are some potential risks associated with linking your bank account to any online service, including Acorn. These risks include data breaches. There is always a risk of data breaches, which could lead to your personal information being stolen. Phishing scams. Phishing scams are emails or other messages that try to trick you into revealing your personal information. Malware. Malware is software that can infect your computer and steal your personal information. How to reduce the risks of linking your bank account to Acorn. There are a few things you can do to reduce the risks of linking your bank account to Acorn. Use a strong password. Make sure to use a strong password for your Acorn account. Enable two-factor authentication. Two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security to your account. Be aware of phishing scams. Be careful of any emails or other messages that ask you for your personal information. Keep your software up to date. Make sure that your software is up to date to protect yourself from malware. Acorn takes a number of security measures to protect your money. However, there are always some risks associated with linking your bank account to any online service. By following the tips in this video, you can help to reduce the risks of linking your bank account to Acorn. Additional tips. Before you link your bank account to Acorn, be sure to read the terms and conditions carefully. If you have any questions about Acorn security, you can contact their customer support team. You can also find more information about Acorn security on their website. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped you understand the risks and benefits of linking your bank account to Acorn. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. If you're considering linking your bank account to Acorn, I encourage you to do your research and weigh the risks and benefits carefully. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.